Hello guys, how are you all doing? Today I'm gonna show you how to program remote control on Mustang from 1998 to 2004. So the easiest way to do it, I have no remote control at all in my car, so I'm gonna program these two. It's not programmed at all. So all you're gonna do is just take it off on the back. There you go. Then all I'm gonna do, just turn the key on ignition, but 8 times, very quick, until the car locks on and locks. Okay, let's try it together. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. Now we push the lock, then unlock. Everything works. Let's see again. So now, as you see, the car is unlocked. Lock it. Alright, now let's try it. Lock, unlock, trunk works, alarm, unlock. Please like and subscribe, guys. New on YouTube, so I'll appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. You have a nice day.